These are a bunch of Carrier air conditioners, and one of them is running. It's in heat mode. I don't see any frost, but I don't feel like waiting around for a defrost. Dang, those are noisy. I thought they were defrosting when I first walked up. Oh, there's two. And not to mention these are all, I don't know, they don't look to be too new. This one's from 2000. It's newer than I thought. Yeah, they're all from 2000. Yeah, definitely newer than I thought. I was thinking these were from the 90s, but yep, all from 2000. Yeah, they're all in quite rough condition. Anyways, over and out.